The highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to officially drop between September 16th and 18th, which means we're just days away from liftoff, and the leaks have been pouring non-stop in social media. Igor Bogdanov has already revealed what look like official renders, and this little powerhouse is packing a 1-inch camera sensor plus LAR sensors, which is a huge leap forward for a mini drone. But before we dive into the good stuff, hit that subscribe button, because it's faster than powering on your drone and guarantees you won't miss massive launches like this one. Now let's talk about the options we have. DJI isn't just selling the Mini 5 Pro as a standalone drone. The Fly More combo is the package most people will gravitate toward, offering a 2,785 mAh battery that delivers around 36 minutes of flight time per charge. The best part is, it stays under the 250-gram limit, which means in many countries you can skip registration and fly hassle-free. But for those who want endurance over convenience, DJI is rolling out the Fly More Combo Plus. This version swaps in a bigger 3,350 mAh battery, giving you an insane 52 minutes of flight time. The trade-off is, it tips the scales above that 250-gram threshold, so you may face stricter flying rules depending on where you live. So it's a battle between freedom and flight time, but whichever way you go, both bundles are stacked. You'll get a brand new all-in-one gimbal and propeller guard, 3 intelligent flight batteries, 6 spare prop sets, a filter kit, a charger, cables, and even a carrying case. DJI clearly wants you to have the full kit from day one. As for the controllers, you can choose between the more budget-friendly RCN3, which relies on your smartphone, or the premium RC2 with its own built-in display, which makes everything smoother, so you just power it up and you're ready to fly. And what about the price? Early leaks suggest the Fly More combo with RC2 will cost about €1,129 in Europe, £979 in the UK, and somewhere around $750 to $800 in the US for the base kit. Expect the Fly More combo to edge past the $1,000 mark, pretty much in line with the Mini 4 Pro, but this time you're getting even more firepower. So that's the scoop on the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and stay tuned because this launch is about to change the mini drone game.